Good morning, YouTube. Just curious, what does everybody like for ammunition? I mean, me personally, I prefer the red tips. I like the way they expand and open up. They're great for self-defense. Winchester, critical duty or critical defense or something like that. I love these. They're rather expensive, a little on the higher price side, but they work great. I don't know. I see a lot of people always use these. Just plain Jane jacket hollow points, which they work too. But I like the way that plastic tip makes the bullet expand and open up. But they both do their job. I mean, unless you're the full metal jacket type. I use them at the range or shooting paper targets or whatever like that, but I don't use them for everyday defense in my gun. What's your preference? Tell me in the comments what you like.